So it's Monday. I'm coming in to bring my car to the dealership because my clutch pedal keeps sticking down to the bottom. So I just went to start the car and push the pedal down. That's what we got. So I'm gonna need to scoot my seat forward, but let's give this a try and see what happens. Okay. Clutch pedal's still down. Put my foot on the clutch. Brake first, of course. Clutch all the way down. Wow. That died even faster than normal. Let's see if the clutch pedal comes back up. Nope. Sure isn't. So, just out of curiosity, I'm going to leave it in the down position again and see if we can get it to start. Yeah, it won't even stay running. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pull the clutch pedal up. Okay. And so I'm going to leave the key in just to see if that has any effect on it, okay? Okay, so pushing it down. Yep, goes down and back up, no problem. Starts just fine and purrs like a kitten. So, yeah, that's my issue.